What's up everybody, welcome back here on the channel. Today we're gonna take a look at one of the latest Hot Wheels Silver Series sets. This is the second Pantone set. Now a little spoiler for this video, it's not exactly an unboxing. I will crack open only one of these because I only collect one of these castings. But of course we will take a closer look at the models. Now, if you are wondering why this video is so shaky, it's because I still have the smartphone in my hands because I wanted to show you the first Pantone set, which is hanging here on the wall. And I mean, look at this. This looks fantastic in my opinion. I really do like these colors, and yeah, the card art is fantastic in my opinion. Looks great on the wall. I mean, the castings, yeah, are not the best in my opinion, most exciting, but whatever, except this one here, the Porsche on the right. This one was pretty hard to get. Now, let me put you back here on the tripod. So yeah, here we have our set. Basically, or normally, these Hot Wheels Silver Series sets contain 5 models. This is a little bit special, so as you can see, we do have 6 models, and number 6 of 6 normally is, yeah, it's not exactly, I wouldn't call it a chase model, but I already mentioned it with the Porsche on the wall. 6 of 6 is a little bit harder to get because it's, yeah, more rare than the other ones. What does that mean? It's not as rare as like, I don't know, Super Treasure Hunt, but in the store where I found these do arrive in boxes with, I don't know how many are in there, but basically I think you get 4 or 5 of the other models and only 2 of these, yeah, chase or whatever you call this piece, because this one comes with the metal base. The Bronco, of course, wasn't as hard to get as the Porsche, but still not so easy. Now, what do we have here? I mean, it's a little bit hard to describe the colors, but I would say it goes from green to mint, maybe, sand, and then brown. Yeah, I think the colors are great. The models, once again, yeah, I would say not really my cup of tea, except these two, but we'll get to that in a second. Let's take a quick look at the models. Our first one is a license casting, the 2020 Toyota Tacoma, in kind of yeah, military green, olive green. Yeah, this one looks really good, saying Pantone on the door. And on the hood, you have to see, of course, this is a more expensive set, 4 or 5 euros normally here in my area. So we get a full deco, of course, and in my opinion, it doesn't make too much sense to take them out of the packaging because the card art, in my opinion, is really fantastic. And if you put these sets next to each other, just looks great. So this one, yeah, pretty nice. Then we have this guy here. This casting is from, let's take a look at the base 2009, retooled in 2015. Yeah, casting I don't collect, and I don't have any other versions of this guy here, the custom 69 Volkswagen Squareback. Yeah, not my era of cars. You can see the license plate is just the Hot Wheels flame. A bit of kind of a rally deco or something, I would say. And here on the hood looks a little bit like sponsor logos from something, I don't know, but it's okay. So let's put this one back. Then we have this guy here, which is a generic casting, which is called the Rally Finale. I mean, it doesn't look too bad. Little bit like Volkswagen Scirocco, I would say. But anyways, we get the full deco and Hot Wheels flame on the side. these yeah, kind of auxiliary lights here on the front, and yeah, I think the color is pretty nice in my opinion. So there we go. Then we have this one here, the Sand Blaster, also generic casting, I would say. And there we go. Comes with, I don't know. Yeah, I know it's yeah, it's something. Let's put this guy to the side, and then we get to this one here, which is the '67 Ford Bronco. When I saw that this, sorry, that this set was released, I thought it was the newer Bronco, which I do collect, and I was pretty excited to get this one. But then when I took a closer look with my glasses on, I saw that it was the '67 Ford Bronco, which is also not bad. But yeah, I don't collect this casting. There we go. But we do have a casting that I collect, and of course I bought a second one, so we can crack this one open, which is the Land Rover Defender 90. So yeah. There we go. I don't know. It's what? How do you call this color? Like milk chocolate brown? I don't know. You can write it in the comments down below. Yeah, looks pretty nice. Of course, we get full deco, pretty crisp. The prints on this one, saying Pantone on the hood and on the side. And this casting comes with a spare tire. Yeah, pretty nice casting. We take a look at the other ones. I'm not really sure which was the first casting. Maybe it was this one. I'm not 100% sure. I think I have all of these. Let's take a look. 2019. Maybe I'm missing, I don't know, one or two. Could be. And of course, you always have to remember that here in Europe, we don't get all of these exclusive that you can get in the US from, I don't know, Walmart, and Target, and I don't know. So yeah, this is kind of a weathered version in, yeah, also kind of a military olive green color with the Land Rover logo. Looks pretty good for a mainline model. So let's put these next to each other. We also saw this one in blue. Kind of a flat blue, also pretty interesting. Then we've seen, really like the wheels on this one, by the way, and red. You can see these are main lines. We don't get any details on the front. So it came in kind of a sand color. In this kind of mint. And this one was the latest version of a metallic gray. So yeah, there you have it. This is the latest Pantone set. Yeah, pretty. I think this is pretty nice to hang on the wall. And yeah, tell me what you think. Write in the comments down below. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Happy hunting, and see you next time.